Thank you.
Snow Hill, 1625 up, solid off. By the time we clear the platform, we only have to wait a few minutes to go onto your track. So that this makes we need to first off, we want to make some Snow Hill. Snow Hill, so for it will be to solid off, solid off 1625. You won't have to look at that right on this so that you're going to the solid off. Yeah, that close water. Yeah, no, it's the actual, it's that's the contact. Oh, that's what I said. Thank you. Right, so, into a Solihull where this train will terminate. Please remember all your belongings when leaving the service. I do apologise about this, ladies and gentlemen. This is due to a technical fault with the train. If you remain on this platform, there's a service from Snow Hill which will arrive into Solihull just a few minutes after we clear the platform.